Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here you have toluene and you have cyclic anhydride. You're reacting with aluminum chloride. You have to find what will be the final product. Here you have anhydride, you are using aluminum chloride. It's a kind of Friedel Crafts acylation. You have acyl cation. The acyl cation attacks the benzene ring. There are the two possibilities, ortho and para. Here ortho is most steric, only para is forming. Here second acylation is not possible because the ring deactivation by the acyl group. The concept you have to learn here is even anhydride undergo Friedel Crafts acylation and it won't undergo diacylation. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion, comment below.